morning, myself Richa Jetwa. I am going to teach today understanding correlation positive versus negative. So we first of all start with the what is correlation. Correlation shows how two variables are related. It measured by a correlation coefficient. Its sign is R. Its range -1 to +1. Now, what is positive correlation? When one variable increases and another is also increased. So R value is more than 0. Example, study time increase, so marks will be also increased. If the height of the person is increased, so his or her weight is also increased. It's shown a graph with increased line. Now, what is negative correlation? When one variable increases and the another are decreased. So R value is decreased and 0. It's -1. Example, if stress will increase, sleep is also decreased. Now, if the exercise volume is increased, weight is decreased. So this is the graph of the negative correlation. No correlation. No predictable pattern between the two variables. It means R is equal to 0. Example, there is no match of the shoe size with the intelligence. This is the graph. There is no relation between two. Now this is the summary table. This is the value example in the direction. If one is increased or other is decreased. One is increased, other is also increased. There is no correlation. Now we need to remember positive correlation is like a friendship, both grow together. And the negative correlation like a seashore, one blow up, so then other comes down.